Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my okra before using it. If you don't want to fry your okra, if you still want to get your okra to slime texture before you start using it, this is a proper way for you to use it and for you to make it. So if you're interested, let's jump right into the video. The thing you need to do is to slice your okra to your desired size. So here, as you can see, I'm just slicing the okra, and when I finish, I'll just transfer the okra into a bigger bowl. And the next thing you do is to get your pot and add water and leave the water to boil. If you don't want to wait, you can just add a little bit of warm water, so when you add the warm water, just add your okra immediately, and please lower your heat. When you add the okra, just continue to stir it. At first it might look like it's not working, but you need to take your time, and just before 2-3 minutes, and you just see it will start forming, giving you that slimy texture. And yeah, this is just what you want. You add your water depending on the quantity of slimeness you want. So as you can see, it's done. We are not going to cook it too much because we are still going to use it to cook soup. So you just place this in a separate plate and leave it there, and just continue the process of cooking your okra. And this is the end result. As you can see how it looks here. So this is another way to make it as well, if you want it to give you that slime texture. So this is my okra I have in my bag. I just slice my okra and pack it. If I'm not using it instantly, I just buy a lot of okra and I slice and pack it and put in the fridge, freezer, wherever, how it depends on how soon I want to cook it. So as you can see, I get my water is trying to boil, and then I add the okra. So after adding the okra, I'm just going to stir immediately. Remember, you don't want to cook the okra, and the warm water will just give your okra instant slime texture. As you can see, I'm just stirring it. So guys, you just continue to stir the okra, and remember to lower your heat. You just add water depending on the texture you want. If you want it to get too slimy, you can add more water. But if you don't want your okra to be that much you can just add as little water as the one I added. So yeah, just 2-3, highest to 5 minutes, that's what you're looking for, and your okra is done. So now I'm just going to turn it one more time, like I'm going to stir one more time. You can see how it is, and this will make you not to fry your okra. I just like my okra that's green and fresh. Like when I finish cooking, I still want to see that green and yeah, green and that's fresh looking okra. As you can see the way this one is, you can see the texture. So yeah, that's all you want. So if you like, you can pour more water in it so it will be slimy, more slimy, but I just like to leave it this way. So guys, I just hope you find this video helpful. You can see how this one is. You can see it's a little bit different from the one we did first, so it depends how you want it. And this is done. I'm just going to transfer it into this bowl. You can see. So I think this bowl is a little bit smaller, so I'm just going to pour it into a different one. Yeah, that's it. That is just it. Guys, thank you for watching. I just hope this video is helpful, and I hope you find it very useful. So guys, I thought I should show you the time I added this okra into the soup I'm making. Feel free to add your okra whenever you want, but this is the time I add it. And adding it this time helps the okra to retain all the vitamins without overcooking them. So yeah, this is the time I'm adding it. And the recipe for this okra is coming soon. Please guys, you have to watch it. You really have to watch it. That brings us to the end of this video. If you like it, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.